Oh my god, it's Valentine's today, and Jacob has this little parent Valentine social thing at his school. So we're heading that way right now. It's like super early in the morning. Well, it's like 7 o'clock. And we have him in the back already with our fur jackets. It's like super it's not even that cold, but it's raining. Like, it's raining hard. I'm not going to record because I'm gonna start driving, so I'll be right back when we're at his school. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so we got to the school and there is a line to go in.
Elena, I saw you when I was in the car.
Look at little friends. Little friends. We are twinning today. Look, we have our rain boots on and our blue fat jackets. So they have like breakfast right here. So it's in the cafeteria of the school, and
They're sitting on my backpack.
what are you guys doing fighting? What the heck is that? Look at their little milk. What is that? Bomb. But you're eating pizza with milk. To your mom and Aaliyah. And Aaliyah, what do you want to tell your mom? It's crazy packed in here. Say hi. Okay, so they had a raffle and I didn't win anything. Saltiness, and I'm still kind of hungry because all they had to eat was bread. I'm not trying to eat bread. And these kids were all over our, what is that right there? You guys made that look so ugly. Like, who did that? Valentine, so we'll see. And it's like pouring and I have no umbrella. Wait, that has the umbrella, so she's gonna share it with me. All right, so I'm home already. Came home from Jacob's school. Oh my god, it was like pouring outside. I really don't think we're gonna do anything today. It's Valentine's Day. It's probably gonna be like the first Valentine's that we don't actually do anything or have any plans. First, because it's like pouring outside, so I don't really want to go out anywhere. We don't have a babysitter, so whatever we do is gonna be with the kids. And since it's pouring, I really don't feel like going outside, so let's see what we do. If anything, maybe just stay home, probably order some pizzas. I honestly don't even know. Gotta get back to work, so we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm out of work already and Omar got home. Guess what he brought, guys? This is what he brought. Ta-da! Donuts from Krispy Kreme. And he got me a gift. Let's see, what did you get me?
Well,
let me
open
see.
it and you'll find out.
Okay, so you guys want to see what he got me? Let me see if he got me something good. All right, let's open this up. Open it.
Box in the box.
Oh, he got me the Daisy Mark Makeup perfume. Oh, thanks, babe. I needed it.
I know.
Thank you. Ooh, this is, I love this perfume. Ooh, yes. Ooh, have you guys smelled this one? It smells friggin' bomb. Oh, I can't even get it out. Okay, well, that's my Valentine's gift. Okay, what is this supposed to be?
The box.
It's a box.
A makeup box. A makeup bag.
A makeup bag? Well, let me see. How cute. Thank you, babe. Alright, and his gift is pending. Sorry, babe.
Pending.
I gave you Baby Rocky, so that's a gift. That's
Oh.
your Valentine gift.
I know.
That's like the best gift you could ever have.
It is.
Baby
It
Rocky. What the heck? And Jacob is your second gift. That's been a Valentine gift for the past almost 7 years. Okay guys, well I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I will be ending it for today. Probably just gonna stick and watch movies. Maybe order some more fattening food and order some pizza. So hope you guys all enjoy your Valentine's Day, and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. See you guys later.